Sandro Reinhardt. Sandro was born in France and learned about food at the knee of his grandmother. Then he moved to Britain and finally to the US with a love of French food and a lovely British accent. On his first trip across the US, he fell in love with hash browns, and now he has adopted Los Angeles as a sunny, healthy place to raise his family. Sandro's restaurant in Los Angeles, Cheebo, offers up locally raised produce and meats to loyal neighborhood diners, and is the center of his ever-expanding food business. And he loves his EuroCAST. So stay tuned when we join Sandro at Cheebo and in his kitchen to cook up some delicious, casual food for family and friends.
Another trick is that cutting basil, you can damage it. So the way to go is to line them all up like this, like so, and to roll it tightly.
Like a cigar.
Like a cigar, exactly. And then you can get nice clean cuts.
So, would you call that a chiffonade?
A chiffonade. I would call that a chiffonade. Thank you very much. Awesome. All right, give it a quick cross cut and you're done.